Thought it went back all the way. Alright. Okay. Now. Okay. Will it go up? It looks like currently it is in this stage. 现在是这个. But then whenever the boat goes up, the whole platform goes up like this. And it becomes like this. Huh. Dude. I want to see. No way. Yeah, the whole platform. No, they have to stop the traffic? I mean, they'll stop the traffic, yeah. Is it? Is it though? Yeah, I see over there. See? That a stop sign over there? That probably means like to stop the traffic. So when that goes down, it means boats coming. Let me see if there's another big boats coming nearby.